As you can see, I already have the PDF ported into Flip Creator, and I have created 3 links already. So I created a link that goes to a page, a link that plays a video in a pop-up window, and a link that displays a picture in a pop-up window. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a link that just opens a regular web link. So to do that, you just head up to the top toolbar and click on Add Link. So when you click on Add Link, you'll get a window like this. And first thing you have to select is what kind of link you want to create. So if you choose the drop down arrow, you'll see a bunch of options. So like I already mentioned, I created a go to page link, a play video link, and an open image and window link. So I already chose 3 of them on this list and I created links with them. But I'm gonna create another link that opens to a website. So it would be a web link. And then when you choose web link, next you have to select is your target, self and blank. Self pretty much opens the link in the same window you're viewing your publication. So if you're viewing your publication online and the link is set to self, you pretty much refresh the entire page and goes to the new URL that you just clicked on. So it could be good or bad. Bad being you end up losing the publication you were currently viewing. You would have to actually go back to it. Blank opens it in a new tab, so it's more convenient for people who want to have the publication and the external URL open at the same time. So most of the time, I like using blank. And then I have to specify the URL link. So I'm going to be using flipcreator.net, and then I hit on more settings, and then right here it'll tell me I can change the opacity of the link. So rollover is what color it changes to or how intense the color changes to when I hover over it with my mouse. Roll out is what I see normally when the mouse is not on it. I can change how intense the colors are, and I can even change what color these links show up as. And I can enable a clicking sound if I want it, and a rollover text. So this I can have as go to and click OK. And then after I click OK, I'll get a little rectangular box like this. All I have to do is just bring it over to where I want the link and just resize it. And then now I can click preview. Once it's generated, I can go to the page. And as you can see, I set the opacity to not rollover is 0, so I can't see these links. But so when I hover over it, you can see a yellow box shows up. So that means there's a link here, and like I said, when I created the link, it says go to Flip Creator. So when I click on that, it'll open up my web browser, and then it will bring me to the Flip Creator website, the home page. And then, just to show off the other links I've created earlier, the go-to page, if I click on that, it'll jump to page 15, which I set beforehand. If I go to play video, it'll play a FLV video that I used. You can actually choose what kind of video you want to show. You can choose local video, so any video that you have on your machine, you just want to put it in. You can do that, or if it's a YouTube video, you can do that as well. All you have to do is just put in the last 11 characters of the YouTube link in, and then it will play the video from YouTube. And then the last one is display a picture in a pop-up window. If I click on that, it shows a nice image that I chose. Same, it's the same as the video. You can specify either an image that you have on your local machine, or you can just copy and paste the URL uh, from anywhere online of the image you want to use. And just a little more information on the other links that I didn't get to show. For email links, for those to work, you need to have installed a proper email client on your computer, and you have to have that linked to your web browser. Um, Audio is very similar to video, YouTube, and display pictures that I went over. Oh, right. Message. We also have, if you go back to design mode and you add link, you can see we also have display message and window. This essentially just shows a little pop-up window that displays any message that you put into it, and then you can just type any message in, and then when someone clicks on the link, a little pop-up window will just show them a message that you've written beforehand. You can also include HTML code in there just to customize the text, make it bigger, centered, the color. You can do all that as well. So this was that was it. Really quick tutorial on the different types of links, how you add them, and the different settings you can use, and just make it so that you can have multiple links on your publication, so it becomes more interactive, so people can just click on links and jump to web pages with certain products or something interesting that is related to the article that you want them to look at and look up more information for. And you can probably bring it to more different sections of your website as well that has information that you want them to go to. Once again, I hope this was helpful, informative, and thank you for watching.